How to fix allow camera access missing on iPhone apps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix allow camera access missing on your iPhone. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's begin. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, scroll down until you find screen time. Tap on screen time, and there you'll need to scroll down again until you find content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that. Now here you will need to head over to allowed apps and features. So tap on that again and make sure that this button right here is turned on. After you've turned this on, you can then head back. You can turn off your content and privacy restrictions completely as well, and then just head back. Now, what you'll need to do is again on your settings, go to privacy and security. Tap on privacy and security, and there you can see different apps and different features available. Scroll down and there you should find camera option. Tap on camera. Now right here, make sure that the app that you were trying to use but the allow camera access was missing, make sure that those apps are simply toggled on right here. Toggle on the button from here and you should be good to go. That should fix all the problems, but if it does not, you can always come back to your settings, go to your general. On your general, scroll down all the way. There you'll find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that and then tap on reset from here. Then reset all of your settings, and after you reset all your settings, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.